2019 BMW i8 Roadster cuts a dash at the Detroit Auto Show. The new BMW i8 Roadster has marked its second public appearance at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show, after being presented last year in Los Angeles. The third addition to the Bavarian car marque's I range, after the i3 and i8 Coupe, introduces a folding soft top and carries a weight penalty of 132 pounds, 60 kilograms, over its fixed-roof sibling, while also sacrificing the two rear seats. Its plug-in hybrid powertrain consists of a 1.5-liter turbocharged three-cylinder that develops 231 horsepower and an electric motor with 143 horsepower, along with 11.6 kilowatt-hours battery pack. The combined output of 374 horsepower allows it to sprint from rest to 60 mph, 96 kilometers per hour, in 4.4 seconds, and up to a top speed of 155 mph. 250 kilometers per hour, while it has an electric-only range of 33 miles, 53 kilometers, at speeds of up to 65 mph, 105 kilometers per hour. BMW will open the order books for the new i8 Roadster this spring in the United States, with prices to be announced closer to that date, and which will coincide with the arrival of the updated i8 Coupe in the US market. The revamped i8 Coupe is also on display at the 2018 NAIAS, where it made its world premiere, alongside the new X2 small crossover.